exercises we're going to be doing are for, well, as you probably can guess by the few videos that I've done recently, for post-hip replacement or hip surgery. And these are going to be a little bit more advanced. You're going to have to be able to do weight bearing, and we're going to be doing all of our exercises on all fours, and it's pretty much all going to be some sort of lifts. So first you're going to take and put our leg out straight. Just want to make sure you can see my whole leg. And then I'm just going to pick up the leg. 2, 3. Make sure your core is nice and strong to help stabilize your back so that you're not like doing crazy dipping stuff. So I think that was 4, so I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Go ahead and move to the other side. If you can do weight bearing, then you can certainly do this on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And go ahead and I can't remember what these are called, but you're doing a bent leg and you're just like pulsing, so. And you can point or flex the foot. I think there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The other side. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the next one is, I don't know how you feel about this one. Some people hate this exercise, some people love it. I'm actually going to do fists into the mat here because it's kind of taking a toll on my wrists. We're going to do fire hydrants, so just pick up your leg out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then go ahead to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait a second. The next thing we're going to do is going to be even more torturous. So, pick up your leg out to the side. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm actually gonna have to flip around for this one because my leg's gonna bang into the wall otherwise. Garbage truck going by out there. Make it noises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, back on this side again. We're going to do, it's a ballet-inspired exercise, and we're going to go out to, I think, 45 degrees, and once again do bent leg lifts. How many was that? 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Okay, other side. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then we're going to go out at an angle with a straight leg. And 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Other side. 1, 2, Alright, and you're done with the first round. Well, if you can do another round, then I highly recommend it, because we only did 10 on each side, and really when you think about it, well, if you just had surgery not too awful long ago, then it might be quite taxing, but if you have it in you, then I would go ahead and do another, at least, whole go through these exercises, but it's up to you, of course. So yeah, let me know what you thought about that routine. If it was, if it was difficult, if it was too easy, which I doubt it was too easy unless you're kind of in the advanced stages of healing, then maybe it might have been a bit easy, but most likely not. Please like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. If you do subscribe, so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video, or just keep checking back because I put out new videos every single week. And I guess I will see you on the next video. Bye!